Hi everyone, this is Jenny Strebe with Confessions of a Hairstylist, and I'm so excited because I've teamed up with Kinra hair products, and I'm going to show you guys a really fun curly down mermaid style on my model here, Mia. So I posted this on Periscope the other day, and I cannot wait to show you guys the actual YouTube tutorial. Let's go and get started. All right, so to start this look off, what I went ahead and did is I used the Kinra styling cream. This has a really nice medium hold, and then I just blow dried it in. This is gonna really help hold our style and have it the longevity for her to wear it all day. So what I'm gonna do first is take the end of my rat tail comb here, and I'm just gonna create a circle section in the back. Let me turn her around. Then I'm just gonna go ahead and do a ponytail. And this is gonna be the base of our whole entire hairstyle. Now that I've secured a ponytail, I'm just gonna hold the base of the ponytail and pinch and pull the hair up. That's gonna create some volume. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and do a simple 3-strand braid. Once I get to the ends, I'm just gonna go ahead and secure it with a hair elastic. All right, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna pull all this hair back into our braid and create the beautiful mermaid style. So what we're gonna do is we actually wanna curl the hair. So I'm gonna use Kinra's fast drying hairspray. This stuff is awesome. It has a thermal protection in it and it's fast drying. So I'm just gonna go ahead and spray it on each section and then lightly curl it with my 1-inch curling iron. So now, after I've curled it, I'm just gonna go ahead and twist that bit of hair, and then I'm just gonna pinch and pull it for some volume and texture. Now we're gonna actually place this curl inside of our braid. So I'm just gonna open it up, and then simply pull this curl through. I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing on the opposite side. I'm gonna add a little bit of texture spray for some of these. This is really gonna help coarsen up her hair and add a lot of texture to it. So I'm just gonna spray it all over and then pinch and pull and then weave it through our braid here. You can see how much texture that's given it. Open a piece of our braid and just simply pull it through. So now we're just getting to the last bits. I'm using a little bit of texture spray, just kind of pinch and pulling it out and then interweaving it into our braid here. And that's basically what we're gonna do throughout, because we wanna hide the braid, we don't want it to show. Go through and then I'm just gonna go ahead and go through and pancake the braid out and then pull any of these loose ends into the hairstyle. All right, so what we're gonna do now, we're gonna slide the elastic band out of our braid, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and slightly back comb the ends because I wanna create like a really soft, seamless look on the ends. And then now I'm just gonna take a little bit of the finishing spray by Kinra. This is the 26. I'm gonna spray all over, and then just kind of pinch and pull any areas that I want to create a little bit more fullness. All right, so there you guys have it, a gorgeous curly mermaid style. I hope you enjoyed it. Feel free to check me out on Instagram at the Confessions of a Hairstylist, and I'm now on Periscope. My username is just Jenny Strebe, so definitely check me out there, and I'll see you guys soon.